Hello, my dear kids. Good morning. Today we are going to learn about scientific reasons. Okay. So, first one, helium is used in balloons instead of hydrogen. Why the balloons use helium is? That means helium gas is used by the instead of hydrogen gas in balloons. Why? Because hydrogen gas is inflammable, but helium gas is easily set on fire. Okay, a substance which is easily set on fire. So we use helium is used in balloons instead of hydrogen gas. Okay, next, it is easier to swim in sea water than in river water. Do you understand? I hope you are understand. It is easier to swim in sea water than in river water. Why? Because sea water is which water? Sea water contains what? Salt. Very good. Salt water is more denser than fresh water. Okay. Okay, yeah. So it has more stuff in it. Okay, yeah. That stuff would be the salt, which makes the mass of the water greater. The stuff, it makes the sea water mass is greater without adding much to its wall. Okay, yeah? Do you understand, ma? It has the weight is larger than the river water. Okay, next. It is easier to lift a heavy stone under the water than above the water. Are you feel like this? Yes, I also. So that means what? It is easier to lift a heavy stone under the water. Yes, it feel like the weightless, but it have the above the water position means it has the weight. Okay, why? It is the upward thrust or buoyancy force. Buoyancy force of water. What is meant by the buoyancy force? It refers whether something can float in water. Okay, the upward force, a beyond force that act on an object in water is equal to the weight of the object. Okay, the weight of the water displaced by the object. Any object that is in water has some buoyancy force. Okay, if you put something in the water means the water will get displaced. Yes or no? If you put one stone in one water means the water will form, that means lace. Yes or no? Yes or no? Waves. Go displace the position. Displace some water. Okay. So it is called which force? Buoyancy force. Instead of the buoyancy force, it is easier to lift the heavy stone under the water. Okay. Next. In a double-decker bus, extra passengers are not allowed in on the upper deck. Why? Because center of gravity is very low in where? Upper deck. Okay. What's mean by center of gravity? It means the point from which the weight of the body or system considered to act. The weight of the body acting as a center point. Okay. That is called the center of gravity. Okay. Yeah. Next step. Steam causes more severe burns than boiling water. Steam causes more severe burns than which water? Boiling water. Steam is severe than boiling water. Okay. So it means, do you understand? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. Next, steam is very fast. That means more effective than boiling water. Okay. Dirty clothes become clean when soaked in hot water and washing soda. Yes or no? If we want to clear clothes means we want to put what? Washing soda or in hot water. We want to soak means the dirty clothes easily get whitener. Okay. Next, human breath is visible in winter. Why? Human breath is visible in winter. Why? In winter time, cold air, yes, it causes the warm moisture in our breath. Yes or no? Moisture means it contains the water droplets, that means air condense into tiny water droplets of water. Okay, that appears like a small misty cloud. Yes, it is the liquid from of your breath. Okay, so human breath is visible in winter. Why? Because in winter time the air has which condense, air condensed with the water drops. Okay, so it is very our breath is invisible in outside. Stars are not seen in daylight. Yes, because of the domination of sunlight. Okay, next we hear better in water than on land, because the sound is travel faster than what? Land than water. Okay, we hear better in water than on land. The water is traveling very fast in water, liquid. Okay, man weight loss on the moon on the earth. Moon than on the earth. Man weight less on the moon than an earth, because earth have high gravity, but the moon, it is a low gravitational power. So the man weigh less on the moon. In earth the man has 100 kg, means in moon only 30 kg. Okay, that like. It does not pain when we cut our nails. Why? Why? The nails does not connect with the nervous system. Okay, the nail does not connect with the nervous system. Okay, yeah? Do you understand, ma? I leave one thing. 9th one. Stars are not seen in daylight. Why? Yes, very good. Okay, next is starlight. Starlight night means what? Did you know about that? It's nothing. Starlight night means lit or made brighter by stars. That night time, brighter by whom? Brighter by stars. Okay. Okay, thank you.